morning, y'all. Welcome back to my channel. The Lord's blessed us with another beautiful day here in western North Carolina. I'm back down here at the pumps. We're going to try to get them going and see where the waters are going. Hope it's going where it's supposed to be going. All right, I'm going to fire them up. Then I'll have to go see if I can see where the water's going. See if they're gonna knock off. I got all these valves down here shut. Yeah. All right. I'm gonna open this valve right here. And that's gonna send water somewhere. Here. All right. We'll go see where that's going to. That's a lot of water, and it's definitely going somewhere. I'll bring you back when I find out where it went, where it's going. All right, y'all. Right in here is a cutoff, but that valve's open, so there ain't no water coming here. We'll go up here. Sure that valve's open. Ain't coming here either. Valve right in here somewhere. Move, little. I don't know where that valve's at. They run over it, tore it up. I'll find it when I get water going to it though. I think they've run over every valve there was. There was a valve right in here. Right there, lays piece of pipe. So they've run over every valve. They all. Come on, Lou. Go back to the pond. That water's going somewhere, but I don't know where. Yeah. I can't for the life of me know where that water's going. It's going somewhere. I guess I'm gonna go up on the other hill and see if it's going up there, but I just I just don't see how it could be. But I'll bring you back, maybe when I find it. A little. He's in knee deep. We'll go right up here. See if this pipe's leaking. Yep. Running out right there. Pipe's broke. That'll have to be fixed. All right, y'all, we're on the other side now. You can see that's the pipe up there. The furlow's the valve. So that's no good. We'll go check the rest of them. That right there, that valve right there watered this field. And that bumpy ride. Bumpy ride. Valve right there is probably the best thing out of the whole bunch. Pipe. Pipe there busted years ago and we repaired it. I'm surprised it ain't broke again. A few more. There looks all right. a clue where the water's going. I think they're loud out in here somewhere. I don't see it. There it is. Stay on there. Yep. That's where it was. Ain't there now. That's where it was. All right, y'all. I found where the water's going. Going right there. I just didn't have it turned on enough to show me to make it up here. I think I'm pumped got about 100 pounds of pressure, and I just didn't have enough pressure to push it up here. I'll go see if any of the rest of them going. All right, y'all. It's basically the same deal right here. Basically doing the same thing I done up there. I will be doing a little bit different, but not much. I'll show you. Need me a socket. Gonna take forever to do this. I wasn't prepared for all this, I don't think. When I worked over here, I had all my tools, everything I needed to do it. Yeah, as tight as I can get it with this. Take this out. Since my float's off of this pipe right there, I'm just gonna move this and from that pump over to this pump and try and just use the one. All right, since we got that pump over there running, I just took a water hose and put it in this one, and we're gonna prime it like that. It'll force all the air out pretty quick. I think this one here was the one that was so bad, hard to get primed. All right, let's see what that'll do. Ever who built these rails around this thing wasn't gonna never work on them. All right, let's fire her up. Come here, little. Oh gosh, I told you. Ever who built this thing ain't gonna work on. God almighty. Yeah. It picked it up. You see the water. All right, let me get over and get that stopped. Oh, little saying us go home. I'm tired. All right, y'all. I'm gonna end this video right here. I'm tired too. I'm gonna call the man and tell him what all he's got wrong and see what he wants to do about it. Gonna be a lot of work, but whatever. We'll see. He had to make that call. All right, I appreciate y'all watching my video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope I see you on the next one.